Hi everyone, back here at my house. This is a continuation of my 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X with the rough country 6-inch lift. Anyway, like I said, I'm back here at the house, and I got some of it unboxed already because when it was delivered, one of the boxes was almost destroyed. But alright, anyway, let's see what we got here. These are the spacers for the back. One, two of these, and they got a little bit of weight to them. Let's see what else. I don't know what this is for. Let me see. Directions say anything. Alright, you can see the shocks here. But here's the instructions that come with it. 2018, but it should work on the 19 also. One thing I noticed too was on their site, it says this does not fit the Pro 4X. And I called and spoke with them, and they're saying because the Pro 4X sits up an inch higher, that when the lift is put on, it's not level. But anyway, I stopped at the dealer one day and measured a SV, and it was like, the front was like 35, and I measured my Pro 4X, and it was 35 and a half. Same with the back. The back was 36, mine was 36 and a half. So anyway, I'm going to go for it anyway and see what happens. Continue watching here in the future, and we'll see what's going on. And anyway, this is the book. Sorry about the movement here, but let's see what we can find here. Oh, right there, that's it. I imagine that is actually for the front differential mount. Probably over here is the other one, both of them. Hard because I'm doing this one-handed here, guys, but you can see everything that's supposed to come with it. But okay, there's the instructions. Oh, another thing too, now they have you, like I said earlier, they have you starting at the front, but like I said, the front's going to be a lot of work to do. So I'm actually going to start with the back installation first, get that done. That should take about an hour, but like I said, the front's probably going to take a good 4, 5, 6 hours. I don't know yet, but we'll soon find out. Tires, I bought 285 65 R18 wheels, tires, I'm sorry, and I bought 18-inch wheels with the 5 inches of backspace and 0 offset. They were 18 by 9s I bought. They're not here yet. They should be here in the next few days, I'm hoping. But anyway, let's take a look and see what we got here in these boxes. Okay, these are the front struts. That's their 6-inch lift in the front, basically. 2 of them. Like I said, one box was about totally destroyed, so this is the front differential mount that'll go on your new cross member, and this is a new skid plate that came with it. And this stuff is quite hefty. You can see it's definitely not thin. I know they've improved. When they first came out, they had a problem with stuff being weak and breaking, but they seem to have taken care of it all last few years. So let's see what else. Here we got the shocks. Rough Country premium shock absorber. Alright, we got one and 2 of these. Let's see what else we got going on here. And in this box, let's see. Oh, brake lines. Nice. There's the brake lines. That is a new sway bar mount. I know that. What else? There's the other side. Here's the bolts for your new lower control arm install. Looks like you got your cams in there. Let's see what this is. Is this the other differential mount? We will find out eventually. What the heck is this? No, that's a decal. But here's the new brake lines. Nice. Alright, let's put this one back. Alright, five. Sorry. Box 4. And this one's still sealed. These are the mounts for the bump stops. Yes. Alrighty. And this one, let's see what we got here. U-bolts. Nice. I like new parts. New parts will look good on my new truck. Alright, what else we got here? Get a couple hits off my smoke. Oh, it's doing really windy outside. Now you can see my motorcycles. Yamaha MT9 and Harley Sportster. Fun as hell. Yamaha's just freaking dangerous. That's like my Corvette. badass. But yeah, it's real windy. I usually have an awning that goes out, but you can see it's awful windy out, so I had to roll it in. So now my bikes are getting wet. That's all right. They need washed. All right. Let's go back to this.
I changed my mind.
Put out my cigarette. And we'll continue on here. See what we got here. Hang on, guys. And this one is heavy. This might have been the 60. The other two boxes were like 30 pounds, 30 some pounds, and one was 67. So, gonna be heavy. Let me get this open. Jeez. These are the cross members. Here they go. One's the front. This one looks like the front. One's the back. Yeah, the solid one's the back. Yeah, front, back. I'm not taking them out yet, guys. You'll see all this when I get the install going. But heavy. And this one too. Let's see what we got here. And get the other side. And what's yeah, this box was rough too, so let me see what we got in here. Oh, these are the knuckles. Wow, they're huge. Wow. And that looks like that's about all that's in there. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this box, you can see it's probably end up taking them out because that thing's about destroyed. But anyway, that's about it, guys, for the lift. Lift kit, I should say. Really not a lot of parts. It's just a lot of work to get the parts in, which should be no problem. I have air tools and stuff in a lift. Like I said, I work at Maker's Garage in Linfield. So, alright guys, I will keep you posted once I get the rims. Like I said, FedEx lost one of my tires, so I gotta wait for them to replace that, and I'm still waiting on my wheels to come. They should be here hopefully within the next few days, so I can get this video going.